We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 371, ranked match. Brigade versus Heroes. This was my first time dueling since day. What was it? Fractal, Nerval. I screwed up like a bunch of times, but I still won. Nerval's gonna dump Karis. Karis is gonna dump Kit. Kit's gonna dump another Karis. Karis is gonna banish those two for Ferajit. Ferajit, normal summon or special summon Radpir. I still have not normal summoned. Properly link summon for Bearbrum. Ferajit is gonna draw and put back. Okay. 10 key, Thoroughblade. Link those two for Rugal. Bearbrum is gonna draw the Revolt and put back. Effect Veiler. Setting the Revolt. Ending my turn. His turn. Activate Polymerization. Sparkman and Burstinatrix for Sunrise. Sunrise is gonna add Miracle Fusion. Normal summon Liquid Soldier. Liquid Soldier's effect. Discard one card. Discard normal summon. Oh wait, no. What the heck is this guy's effect? Oh, it's the Grave, and if he gets used from Fusion. There it is, super power. Elementor Hero Gaia. It's gonna attack with Sparkman. Revolt. Nerval, Kit, Bearbrum, and Rugal. And then immediately link summon for Shureg. What happened there? How come? What? You could target one card. Oh, Sunrise popped 10 key. I don't know why he didn't pop this. Or no, he already activated it. Bearbrum, Rugal, Kit, Nerval. Nerval's gonna add. Kit's gonna dump. Bearbrum is gonna add and shuffle back. Shuffling back Thoroughblade. Shureg, banished Sunrise. And he linked for Wonder Driver. Miracle Fusion. Absolute Zero. Wonder Driver. Heroes, normal special summon. One Polymerization added. Oh, we set the. But he doesn't have a cost to discard. This is where I screwed up right here. Fractal. I did 4. I was gonna go in a Shureg. And I linked off with Droplet. Send Fractal. To target. Or not to negate. But its Grave effect still happened. Leaves the field, even if I would have popped them. attack, he takes, and then zeros effect. Destroy all monsters your opponent controls. Sure egg, I got a Thoroughblade. Whose level is less than or equal to the numbers of banished beasts. Okay. What did I set there? Okay, revolt. Just gonna battle. I will. I only have 2. What? I only did 2? Oh, it's because I have 2 sure eggs in there. I used all of the sure eggs. Rugal, gonna lose 600 or 300. It's gonna crash. Wonder Driver. If it gets destroyed, supposed to summon a hero. Tanky, add Thoroughblade, normal summon Thoroughblade, activate effect. Send a ZOODIAC card, draw a card. Borbo, this is where I screwed up. I didn't even go into Zeus. And I end it right there. And I was like, no! I screwed up even more here. I desired. Attack, negate attack. Now I can't go into Zeus. But Chakanine, activate, attach, special, Tiger Motor, attach, normal summon. Mirage, I was trying to go into access code, but Tiger Motor. Okay, I detached Rat Piran. Attached. Attack. I screwed up right here too. How many misplays did I do? I thought it was in the main phase 2. Main phase 2, I finally went to Zeus. Activate E emergency call, Imperial Order. End this turn, I Zeus. Almirage, Link to protect him from any destruction. And then I looked over here, I was like, well... Oh, that was before I realized that all my Zodiacs 1, 2, 3 was in the grave. So the barrage was nothing, and Zeus direct attack. You set a card. And draw Norval. 1, 2, 3. Doomeagle. Banished. Absolute 0. For access code. Norval, add kit, banished, sent to the graveyard, and access code for game. Part 2. I don't know if I screwed up even more. I drew the Lightning Storm. He made me go first. Fractal, Norval add kit or Karis, I'm not sure. Karis, send kit, send Norval, Karis effect, Banish those two for Bearbrum. Link to Rugal. Bearbrum, draw and put back. Set those two. Yeah, I did screw up on this one. When he ended his turn, I didn't use Rugal's main phase. Sunrise, Shadow Mist, Sunrise, Strike on Sunrise. Shadow Mist gets Liquid Soldier, normal summoned, and Liquid Soldier. Activate effect, special. And he end his turn here. This is where I screwed up. I should have did Revolt on main phase 1 with and linked it off with Rugal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shureg. Oh, we're doing Kit, Nerval, and then Shureg. We'll banish the hero barrier. I went for an access code. Access code. Target Shureg, link 4, gains 4,000, and then Rugal. Monsters my opponent control is 300 for each monster type I have. Access code. Pop. Access code pop. Fractal. Normal summon, activate effect, banish those 4. Shureg, banish, and Fractal direct, Shureg direct, and access code Toka. Finish. That was a really rusty. Okay. He does have a deck. Let's check it out. This guy. That was 371. 371, okay. Let's check out the online. I went up by 5. That's the lowest I've ever went up. I was at 1503, 1508. And let's check his deck. Oh, God. Where's check his deck? 371. Here it is. 1. Who's that guy? Alright. And then we're at 189, still at 189, didn't go anywhere. Comment, share, like if you sub it, reflect it. See you guys.